This is Amazing Grace in the Key of C by Jeremy Riddle, Phil Whickam, and Josh Farro. I hope you love how simple this is. As always, you can click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of C, we have some simple chords. We have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor. So there's not a whole lot of complexities to this song, and I've even stripped it down to the basics for you. All right, so let's take a look at those chords. We have C chord, which is C, E, G. F chord, F, A, C. G chord, move up one note, G, B, D. And then move up one note again, and we have A, C, E. Okay, so review, we have C chord, F chord, G chord, and A minor. All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're just going to play single notes, so you can put pinky on F, line up your 5 fingers, then you don't have to move the hand the whole song. All right, so we're just going to play C note with our C chord, F with our F chord, G with our G chord, and you guessed it, A with A minor, okay? That's it. Okay, so the rhythm that we can do to bring the two hands together is pretty simple. We're just going to go together, right. Sorry. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. Okay, just a nice marching rhythm. Practice that on the F. Okay. All right, so let's look at verse 1, and you'll know what I mean when we start adding a little bit of vocals into it. All right, here you go. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness? F. Whose love is mighty and so much stronger? A minor. The King above all kings. Verse 2, nice marching rhythm. Who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder? F. Leaves us breathless in awe and wonder. A minor. Glory, G, the King above all. F. This is amazing grace. C. This is unfailing. F. That you would take my place, that you would bear my cross, you would lay down your life. See, that I would be set. F. Oh, A minor. Jesus, I sing for G, that you've done for me. It's kind of hard to sing and play at the same time. Oofty. Having a struggle. Okay, so let's look at verse 3 and 4. I don't think there's anything new. So you're just going through that same pattern, C, F, A minor, G. And then let's just pop over to the bridge. You're just going to have basically one chord per line. And you can kind of build the anticipation or the rhythm in this. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. F. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy, and then it jumps into that A minor. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy. That you would take my A minor place, that you would bear my G, you'd lay down your life. I'm going to play it beginning to end. This one's pretty simple. I think you guys will catch on. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness, whose love is mighty and so much stronger, that King of glory, that King above all kings, who takes the whole earth with holy thunder and leaves us breathless in awe and wonder, that King of glory, that King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross. You'd lay down your life, that I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Who brings our chaos back into order, who makes the orphan a son and daughter, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who rules the nations with truth and justice, shines like the sun in all of its brilliance, the King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is a failing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross. You'd lay down your life, that I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy. This is amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you would take my place, that you would bear my cross. You'd lay down your life, that I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. It's amazing grace. This is unfailing love, that you